At ARS Automotive, we want to provide you with the best quality inspection services that will let you know your vehicle will be safe. Our service technicians are all trained and licensed for PA safety and emissions inspections, and our up-to-date equipment lets us give you the best possible assessment of your vehicle. The first step of the inspection process is to confirm that the PA registration and insurance cards are up to date. Your vehicle must have these items in order for the inspection to proceed. Then, a technician is assigned a worksheet. They use it to fill out some important details about the vehicle and also use it to give recommendations to the vehicle owner. After preliminary vehicle information is filled out on the inspection sheet, the technician will take the vehicle on a road test. The technician will make note of how the vehicle steers and brakes, along with any dash lights that need attention. After the road test, another technician helps verify that all of the lights on the vehicle are functioning as designed. Then it's time for an emissions test. This test is required in Allegheny and some surrounding counties, and failing the emissions test means that the vehicle will fail inspection. When the emissions test is completed, the technician will raise the vehicle on a lift for an underneath visual inspection. This is where the suspension, steering components, exhaust, and mounting brackets are checked to make sure they're in sound working order. Then the car is taken down a bit on the lift so that the tires and brakes can be removed. As the tires are removed, the technician notes the remaining tread depth of each tire and records these numbers. After removing the wheels and tires, the technician can now perform a visual inspection of the brakes, measuring the thickness of the friction material and examining the rotor and/or drum thickness, as well as inspecting for cracks in the friction material. They examine the calipers and brake cylinders for any defects or fluid leaks. Once the brakes are checked, the wheels are reinstalled and torqued to the proper specs. As a consumer courtesy, if the tires need rotated, the technician rotates them at this time. Finally, the inspection form is filled out by the technician, which is then filed and logged. The shop keeps a log of all inspections and is inspected once a year by a state auditor. Remember, having your vehicle regularly inspected ensures your safety as well as the safety of the other drivers who share the road with you.